Aha! No, wait a minute. Maybe that's not the best card to use. No. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe that one. No, oh, for sure that one. Wait, but if you're anything like me, eventually you get to a point where you've got so many credit cards it becomes a lot more work to manage them all. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view a bunch of great credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and maybe some other stuff as well. So be sure to check out those links to see what I have available for you. Now today's video is all about credit card management, and up until this point I've exclusively been using a massive spreadsheet that keeps getting bigger every single year that goes by, with multiple tabs and tons of scrolling to do, and it becomes a huge behemoth of a spreadsheet to manage. And while I do somewhat enjoy a manual approach to managing the cards that I have, sometimes I wish there were a way to have all my cards in one spot so I can view them with one dashboard, view their balances, their rewards, when bills are due, etc. And now I'm really happy to say that we're living in an age where different apps are coming out that do exactly that. And I fortunately found one that I like a lot. It's called MAXREWARDS, and it truly does live up to its tagline of the smarter digital wallet. And while this app does so many great things for you completely automatically, it can all be boiled down to three main categories. First, it's a digital wallet, and this allows you to manage all of your credit cards and credit scores in one app. Second, it's a digital assistant, allowing you to activate bonus categories and card-linked offers in your sleep. And third, it's a digital advisor, enabling you to maximize credit card benefits with personalized advice. You can literally be on your way to the supermarket or gas station, and if you have multiple credit cards with rewards categories of gas stations and supermarkets, then MAXREWARDS will tell you, out of all the ones you have, here are the select few that you want to use to maximize your rewards. And that's why it's called MAXREWARDS. Clever. So now I'm going to take all of you down the MAXREWARDS journey and give you a full in-depth tour of the app, so that way you can see how much easier your life can be managing multiple credit cards with a single app and pretty much no stress whatsoever. Let's go. So to orient you properly around the MAXREWARDS app, I want you to see the small yellow arrow there at the bottom left of the screenshot. And you'll see 5 different icons there at the bottom. That's pretty much the main menu, or at least the main categories of each section of the app. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is called Wallet. And as we go along, I'll also make it very clear which section we're in with the text there at the top. So right now it's currently blue and says Wallet. And below that, I'll put a brief description of what you can accomplish at each section of the menu. So the wallet is essentially a dashboard of your card balances and rewards. And check it out, it even says, "Good morning, Mark." That's my name. Then directly below that, it has 4 main tiles, and the first one is the rewards balance. This is a dollar value of all the rewards you have across your credit cards, including cashback, points, and miles all added together. Below that is the credit utilization, which is how much of your total credit you're using as a percentage. Again, that's across all of your cards. So basically all of your balances added together divided by the total amount of credit limits you have together. Then moving over to the right-hand side is the cards balance, which is the dollar value of all the balances owed across all of your cards. And lastly is the available credit, which is how much unused credit you have across all of your cards. Then moving down toward the center of the app, we have the bills section, and this shows you which cards have a bill due, including the dates and the amounts owed. So you can see my Bonvoy business card there with an $88 balance due on June 2nd, and my Wells Fargo Propel card with a $15 balance due on June 2nd as well. And then if you click on the word expand, you'll see the same cards with balances due, and also if you have auto pay on or off. Moving on down toward the bottom, we have bonus trackers, and this allows you to monitor your spend progress toward meeting welcome bonus requirements. So at the moment, I'm working on my business platinum card from American Express. That's $15,000 within the first 3 months. And you can see very clearly that I've spent $10,874 already with 52 days left. And then below that is the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card with a $500 spend requirement, against which I've spent $364 already with 72 days remaining. You gotta love that, because when it comes to a spend requirement for a welcome bonus, you never wanna miss those, because those tend to give you massive outsized value in the early days of having a brand new credit card. So don't miss those welcome offers and allow MAXREWARDS to keep you on track, while of course also not spending more than you normally spend anyway. Then if you scroll down a bit further while still on the wallet section of the main menu, you'll see a section called Cards, and this shows all connected cards to Max Rewards, including the total account rewards in a dollar amount, the total account points, the individual card balance, and the individual card utilization. So you can see my Business Platinum card there at the top with $5,591 in equivalent rewards. And that comes from the fact that I have 447,270 points. Now that is not just from my Business Platinum card, that is across all of my American Express cards that earn membership rewards points counted together. And that's why directly below, the green card shows the exact same rewards balance in dollars and the exact same rewards balance and total points. But then across from that in the red font, it shows you the individual card balance. So for example, on the Business Platinum card, there's a balance of $9,450 and the green card has a $427 balance. The utilization is not calculated because neither of those cards have a preset spending limit. But to show you what that would look like, check out the US Bank Cash Plus card where I have a $364 balance and it shows you it's 7.3% utilized because I have a $5,000 limit on that card. So basically, if you have multiple credit cards with the same bank that all earn the same type of rewards, Max Rewards will pool all of them together, show you how many you have and the dollar equivalent. Then for each card, you'll be able to see that card's balance and the individual utilization. Then if you scroll down to the very bottom of the wallet section of the menu, you'll see a final section called Credit Scores. And this allows you to view credit scores reported by each card issuer. And this is usually not your true FICO score. So for example, if American Express, Chase City, etc. report an estimated credit score, then Max Rewards will pull that information and display it in one dashboard for you. Now let's move into the second section of the menu called Activity. Here is where you can view all the transactions you made across all cards. And there are two main tabs there at the top. The first is Transactions, which you're actually viewing right now on the screen. And the second one is Summary. So the Transactions tab allows you to view transactions across all cards on one screen. So you can see my charges there from eBay, LinkedIn, PayPal, a few statement credits, Southwest Gas, which is one of my utility companies, Google Ads, etc. Then if you click on any of those individual transactions, you'll be able to see a lot more details. So here I clicked on my Google transaction for $500 and there you can see the posted date, the transaction date, the amount itself, the amount of points earned, which was 500 points on my Business Platinum card, which earns 1 point per dollar on all ad spend. Then since I told Max Rewards to value Amex points at 1.25 cents each, it has that there as well. It shows the reward multiplier of 1x points and then the rewards earned in a dollar amount. So those 500 points times 1.25 cents per point is $6.25 of rewards for that $500 purchase. And then at the bottom it displays the actual card I used, which again was the Business Platinum card from American Express. Now if you click on the Summary tab, you'll be able to view your total spend and reward summaries across all cards. And you can do so on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. So for this screenshot, I have monthly selected, where you can see my total spending of $3,980. That's displayed there with the red or pink bar graph, and then below with the green bar graph are the total rewards, or $83. And then if I tap into that further, it shows me the actual breakdown of those categories like travel, dining, grocery, gas, and other. That shows me how much I spent in each of those categories, followed by the value of the rewards I earned. Now let's move into the third menu option called Best Card. Here you can identify the best card to use at specific merchants and for broad spend categories. Once again, there are two tabs at the top. We'll start with the one that says Nearby, and below that are three sub options, including Nearby, Map, and Search. These options can help you identify which card to use at nearby businesses for the greatest rewards. And you can search where you live or enter a different location entirely. So for example, I searched near the Phoenix International Airport, and then I was able to see Fry's Food and Drug Stores, Fry's Pharmacy, a bunch of different restaurants, and more. And then it shows me which card would be best to use at each of those locations. Then if you tap on the Category tab there at the top, you'll be able to identify which card to use for broader spend categories like travel, dining, grocery, gas, etc. So to show you what that looks like, I tapped on the gas category, and then it showed me the best credit cards that I should be using at gas stations, which for me included the Chase Freedom Flex and the Discover It Cashback credit card, both of which currently have gas as a 5% cashback category as I make this video. And then the Costco Anywhere Visa Signature Card, which earns 4% back at gas stations, which is a fantastic option when those first two no longer have gas as the quarterly category. So no more flipping through your big book or binder or spreadsheet every time you go to ExxonMobil to fill up your car. Instead, you can gently waft right up to the pump, pull out the MAXREWARDS app, and simply find out which card to use and then use that card. Fourth up on the list is the Deals tab on the main menu, which allows you to automatically activate card offers, spend categories, and more. Now, this is only available if you have the gold membership level of MAXREWARDS, which is a paid subscription. And fortunately, it's extremely affordable from both monthly and annual plans. And if you decide to go with the MAXREWARDS gold membership, you'll be able to get things like auto activation of quarterly bonus categories, consolidation of deals and redemptions, notifications for new and expiring deals, icon customization, auto activation of card offers being factored into the best card options, spend and reward limit tracker, and priority support. And in fact, you could even get the gold level of membership for free by referring friends. You'll be able to see your unique referral code and simply give that to others to sign up for the app. And when they actually create their account and connect their first card, you both will get 1 month free of the gold level of membership. And you can do this up to 12 referrals for 12 months of free gold. Now, since I did decide to upgrade to the gold level, here's what it looks like when all of those features are unlocked. Up at the top, you can see the total dollar amount of the offers that you've earned, plus any credits you have toward the gold level of MAXREWARDS, which again, you can earn from referring friends. Then below that is a search box to actually search for the offers and deals across your cards by name, with 3 additional tabs below that to view all offers across all cards on one page, any new offers that may be available, and the offers that are expiring soon. So I scrolled around a bit and took some screenshots of individual offers on different cards from different banks. So for example, there was a Ray-Ban Amex offer on my Business Gold Rewards card, a PF Chains offer on my Wells Fargo Propel card, and an offer from Jot on my Citi Double Cash card. So even though most of us are most familiar with offers on American Express cards called Amex offers, there are also Chase offers, Citi offers, Wells Fargo offers, and maybe some other card issuers as well. I believe Capital One also introduced the same type of thing too pretty recently. So no matter which card from which bank you have, if there's some sort of offer like to earn 10% cash back or extra points on certain purchases, the MAXREWARDS app will automatically activate these offers for you. That way you don't have to log in and out of each individual app and view each individual card and do it all yourself. That alone right there makes the gold level of MAXREWARDS worth it for me. Now we've got one more section on the main menu there called Profile. This allows you to manage your account, notifications, referrals, and more. While I'm not going to go over all the individual customizations and tweaks that you can make to your individual profile, I do want to point out notifications. This allows you to see alerts for when a bill is ready or a bill is due, or when a bill is processed, or when there's a credit score change, and a whole lot more as well. And to the right of that, I even showed you one of the push notifications that I got on my phone when a bill was ready. So it showed me that my bill for the Propel American Express card was due on June 2nd, 2021, and my auto pay is off. So that way I know to go back in and pay it manually myself. And that right there is the #1 reason why I really liked the MAXREWARDS app, is simply because of the push notifications letting me know when a bill for a specific card is due. And let me tell you, once you get 5, 6, 7 cards or more, all with different due dates across different banks and different login portals and different statements, it can get pretty crazy pretty fast. So having an automatic notification system built in to let you know when a bill is due and when it's due and how much is due right from a push notification is so great. One more cool feature I want to point out on the profile section is the referral page. This automatically generates a web page with all of your card referral links, at least for the banks that offer a referral program. And then that way you can send your link to other people, family, friends, people you may know, people you don't know, whoever it may be. And that way they can apply for a card that interests them the most. And then ultimately both of you will be rewarded if they end up getting approved. Now to wrap all of this up and come full circle, we're going to go back to the Wallet tab, which is the first section of the menu, and it's simply what I call the home screen, which is the overall dashboard. And in the top left-hand corner, circled in yellow, you'll see a small icon of 2 credit cards. This brings you to the Accounts and Cards section, which is great for initial setup and ongoing card management. You'll see 3 tabs there at the top boxed in red, which allows you to add a card, add an account, which simply allows you to add multiple cards, for example, all of your Chase cards or all of your Citi cards at once, and then a More section. When you tap on More, a slide out menu will come up from the bottom that shows you two more options, including Adjust Point Valuations and Adjust Card Priority. Adjust Card Priority simply allows you to rearrange the cards and how they appear on your screen, and Adjust Point Valuations allows you to go in and customize the value of an individual point for different rewards programs. So when I tapped on that, what you can see now is the Advantage program, which is American Airlines miles, Amazon points, Capital One miles, Flex points, Go Far rewards, Hyatt, Marriott, etc. So all of these have defaults that Max Rewards programs in there for you. But for example, if you value Hyatt points at more than 1.5 cents per point, you can actually go in there and customize the point values. So you can easily see the ones that I manually adjusted myself because of the little blue box that says adjusted. Since I'm mostly focused on cashback for the majority of the different rewards currencies right now, I adjusted a few of these, including Capital One miles, membership rewards points, Citi thank you points, and Chase Ultimate Rewards points from their travel value over to their cashback value. And that covers the ins and outs of the Max Rewards app. Overall, it's a fantastic solution to keep track of all of your credit cards in one spot, including their associated rewards programs, offers, and more. So as your credit journey continues to advance over the months and years to come, and you're looking for a way to easily manage and keep track of everything in one spot, definitely check out Max Rewards. As a reminder, you can sign up using my referral code MARKR, that's MARKR, then connect your first card to the app and receive 1 month of gold for free. And with all of that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view a bunch of great credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and of course to sign up for Max Rewards as well, either for the free version of the app or for the gold level as well. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.